Students, welcome to Shrigandhe Maths Academy. AJ Shrigandhe is here. In this video, we will learn a standard 12th chapter of mathematics, that is matrices. Okay. First we see what are the applications of matrices. Why we have to learn matrices? See, the concept matrices are very useful in all over the world in different fields of mathematics, sciences, technologies, okay, as well as in medical field. Clear? See, in security purposes, to encode or decode the messages, the matrices are very useful in that field. Also, for making the 3D games, also making the cartoon movies, that is animations, the concept matrices will be used. Clear? Suppose we have to transform one object into other place or one place to second place, then the transpose of matrices, this concept will be used in most of the creators. Clear? Therefore, the idea of matrices was first developed by the mathematician Arthur Kelly. Okay, all the concept of matrices, types of matrices, he was developed. Clear? Now, actually, we have to see the types of matrices, methods of matrices, how to solve the matrices. Okay, what is the meaning of matrices in this video? Let me first discuss the introduction part of matrices. Clear? Now, first we just discuss the introduction part. Okay, the theory of matrices was first developed by the mathematical scientist Arthur Kelly. Mathematical scientist Arthur Kelly. Okay, definition of matrices is that, okay, the rectangular arrangement of n numbers of elements in m rows and n columns enclosed in square bracket or open bracket are called as the matrices of order m by n. Let's see definition. The rectangular arrangement of m numbers in m rows and n columns enclosed in closed bracket or open bracket are called matrices of order m by n. Okay, the rectangular arrangement of m numbers in m rows and n columns enclosed in square bracket or open bracket are called matrices of order m by n. Means, okay, the matrices are of the form this type, okay, of m by n or open bracket m by n. See, the matrices, the numbers in matrices are enclosed by these two brackets, closed bracket or the open bracket. Means you can write all the elements of matrices in either square bracket or either in the open bracket. Clear? But the matrices are usually denoted by the capital letters. We don't use small letters to denote the matrices. Okay, and the numbers or elements in the matrices are denoted by the small letters Aij, Bij, Cij, etc. Where Aij means what? Aij means the element A or number A lies in the ith row and jth column. Clear? Let's see. Suppose we take the one matrix 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, let the matrix 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is the matrix. Now see, while observing this matrix, we can easily say that there are 3 rows and 3 columns. There are 3 rows and 3 columns. Clear? This matrix contains 3 rows and 3 columns. The rows of matrices are usually denoted by capital letters R1, R2, R3, etc. Okay, and the columns of matrices are denoted by capital letters C1, C2, C3 up to so on dot dot. Okay, therefore there are 3 columns, therefore we denote it as C1, C2, C3, and similarly for rows we use R1, R2 and R3. Okay, now this matrix can be also written as capital A. Okay, capital A is the letter which shows the matrix, which shows the given matrix. Therefore capital A is equal to matrix, okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, or A is equal to matrix 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Clear? Now here the matrix A contains 3 rows and 3 columns. 3 rows and 3 columns. Therefore the order of this matrix is m by n. That is, m is equal to number of rows and n is equal to number of columns. Therefore the order of this matrix A is nothing but 3 by 3. Written as 3 into 3, but read as 3 by 3. Clear? And same for this. This matrix A is also of order 3 by 3. Clear? Now here the element 1 lies in the first row and first column. The element 1 or number 1 lies in the first row and first column. Number 2 lies in the first row and second column. And number 3 lies in first row and third column. Therefore we write it as, okay, here A11 is equal to 1. A11 means what? Element, okay, lies in the first row and first column is 1. Means this number 1, okay, lies in the first row and first column. Therefore because of this we write here 1 1. This first one denotes the ith row, means first row, and the second one denotes the first column, that is jth column. Clear? Aij means ith row and jth column. I is equal to 1, j is equal to 1, means the element or number in first row and the first column is equal to 1. Okay, therefore this one is nothing but A11. Now similarly A12 is equal to 2. A12 is equal to 2. That is the element in first row and second column. Element in first row and second column. First row and second column. A13 is equal to 3. That is element in first row and the third column. Clear? Now this is done for first row, elements in first row. Now we are going to the next row, that is second row R2. The elements in R2 row are 4, 5 and 6. We write this as also. Okay, now this element or number 4 lies in the second row and first column. I repeat, this number 4 lies in second row and the first column. Therefore we write this number 4 as A21, element in second row and the first column is equal to 4. Okay, element in second row and second column is equal to 5. Element in second row and second column is equal to 5, or element in second row and third column is equal to 6. Therefore A23 is equal to 6. And similarly same method for the third row. Okay, this third row contains the 3 elements 7, 8, 9. Okay, the first element 7 lies in the third row and first column. Third row and first column. Similarly a number 8 lies in the third row and second column, and number 9 lies in the third row and third column. Therefore these 3 numbers 7, 8, 9 can also be written as A31 is equal to 7, A32 is equal to 8 and A33 is equal to 9. Why we write this? Because A31 means a number or element in third row and first column. Element in third row and first column is 7. Okay, because this is the R1 first row, second row and third row. First column C1, second column C2 and third column C3. Therefore A31 means element or number in third row and the first column. Okay, but the element in third row and first column is 7. Therefore we write here A31 equal to 7. And similarly element in third row, second column is 8. Element in third row and third column is 9. Therefore we write here A32 is equal to 8 and A33 is equal to 9. Clear? Okay, this is for, we take just a particular example. Now we have to write or we have to expand this set of matrices up to m rows and n columns. Clear? How to write the given matrix in general, that is having m rows and n columns. Let's see. Students, now let us discuss the general form of matrices, that is the matrix having order m by n, means matrix containing m rows and n columns. How to write the given matrix in general form? Let us see. Let capital A is equal to matrix containing entries aij of order m by n. Therefore, this matrix is of order m by n, means this matrix contains m rows and m number of columns. Clear? Therefore, the first entry in this matrix is A11. A11 means a number in first row and the first column, a number or element in first row or first column. Clear? Similarly, here A12, A13 up to so on A1n. Okay, means the first row contains the elements of the form A11, A12, A13 up to so on A1n, means a value of I, that is 1, is fixed in both the entries, but the value of j changes. Why? Because column changes. Okay, row is fixed, R1 row is fixed, but number of columns C1, C2, C3 up to so on Cn will be changes. Therefore, the entries in jth place is only change. Okay, the entries in ith place, that is 1, 1, 1, 1 doesn't change. Okay, this is the first row. Now entries in second row are as follows: A21, A22, A23 and so on A2n. Similarly, for second row, okay, the ith value, that is 2, is fixed. Okay, but the jth value changes. Jth value changes because we write the elements in second row. We write the elements in second row. Therefore, value of I, which denote the number of row, okay, is constant. That is 2 is constant because it is the second row. Okay, but the columns are changing. First column, second column, third up to so on nth column. Therefore, the value of column, that is j value, is changes 1, 2, 3 up to so on n. This last is the nth column. Clear? Similarly, for third row, A31, A32, A33 up to so on A3n, means similarly as above. Okay, the third row, therefore I is equal to 3 and the column changes, therefore we change the numbers 1, 2, 3 up to so on n. Okay, okay, now the ith row, that is AI1, AI2, AI3 up to so on AIN. Okay, and the last row is AM1, AM2, AM3 up to so on AMN. Clear? Okay, therefore this is the matrix of order m by n, called as general form of matrix having m rows and n columns. Okay, note down this part. Okay, general form of matrices.